not get young men to work on the roads. It's women who are spreading maram. The men are not available. So the issue that they are drinking, they have nothing to do, is also not true. It's not true. I have seen many projects lacking workers. The people available for work in the central Kenya region are women and young girls and old men. The young boys are not available. And the reason, there is cheap, available alcohol. Let us make it impossible to have cheap, available alcohol. Let these boys go and work if they want to take Staska, which is 200 shillings. Aende afanye kazi, alipwe 400, akunywe mbili, iishe bila chakula. Nobody will agree. But now hii pombe ya 30 shillings and 40 shillings is a problem. Much as we are saying that we need to create alternative things for these boys, as a government, as a society, we have allowed poison in the shops at an affordable rate. I'm so happy that since we started this exercise in Central Kenya region, Sokoto of Banki that was going at 100 shillings now is going at 400. We are making progress. That is good progress. It's becoming unaffordable. And that is the right thing. Because the police are so heavy on Banki, so wale wenye kuuza, the risk is so high, wanaongeza pesa. When they sell at 400, people who are affording at 100 stop smoking. Because it's not available. So let us not make cheap drinks on the shelves. And these wines and spirit, you guys must come up with a solution. You must deal with them. Why should we have a wine and spirit shop in Yakanja shopping center? For heaven's sake. Who takes wine in there, in that thing? Wine and spirit was a very coveted drink. It was for the bourgeois and the rich and the wealthy. I remember myself when I was young in high school and going to university in Karatina near the market there was only 2 shops for wine and spirit. We used to go there and buy sherry. And it was for the privileged people. It was not a drink for everybody. Wines and spirit. It wasn't a drink for everybody. It was for the very able. Na watu ya class. Hii watu wengine ni watu ya taska na nini, lakini wines and spirit, sasa wine and spirit is now the drink for everybody. It's only that thing has been abused. It has been abused. There's some things we are going to do nationally. But even before we go national, please make it impossible. Make it impossible. Let's have wine and spirit ambayo inajulikana na muweke size yake so that it's a big shop, so that not just anybody can open. Ikuwe moja kwa sub county. Wewe ukisikia unataka kukunywa wine and spirit, inatakana kwanza mtu yuko na gari kwenda kununua. Mtu ya mguu anakunywa wine and spirit namna gani? How? Yeah. And it's expensive. The real wine and spirit is expensive. Hii inauzwa, that is not wine and spirit. That is poison under a title, wine and spirit. So you people, please apply your mind. Be imaginative. Think and think hard. What are these interventions that we can do? So the people of Nakada will tell you what they think. DPP will tell you what they think. DCI, National Police Service, County Commissioner Nyandarua and your people, Wanagivara and your people, you tell us. MPs, you know. Speakers, mnajua. MCA, nyinyi ndio mko pale kwa ground. You know more than any one of us. Mimi, at least the little I know is that when I was there in the village, wine and spirit was for the rich. Sasa nyinyi Kanyongo mmebadilisha, hii ni ya kila mtu. Na ni sawa tu, hakuna shida. But then we are losing an entire population. So you people have a job to do. Na mufanye. You'll be given a schedule. Let's be here on time. Let's work. Let's break for lunch. Let's work. Use these 3 days well. Use these 3 days well. The hotel is paid for. Food is paid for. We organize your per diem. So also earn your money. Sidia mudhani wakoroga. Yeah. Tufanya kazi. Na hii ni kazi nzuri, by the way. You know, this is not just another job. For those of you who are chosen in the assembly, it's a privilege. It's a really privilege that it is you, 4 people from the county, who are chosen to undertake such an important exercise for our people. Be proud of this moment and make maximum use of it. And the drafters are here from the AG, wako hapa, wako na ile sheria ya national. They'll share with you. Let it be a good forum. And I am sure by the time you leave here on Sunday morning, you have a legislative proposal. Na tulikubaliana na assemblies itakibia kama risasi. Si tulikubaliana? Yeah, you had the public participation. How many days? Yeah, 7. Yeah. And I don't mind. Is a public I can do 111. I can hope to kuja just to drum up support. I can come na to publicize nitakuja. Tusikie wananchi waseme, tuambie tumepitisha hii, na utaona mkitengeneza sheria mzuri, you people will be heroes. For you MCAs, hii ndio yenu ya kurudi. I'm telling you, hii pombe pahali imefika. Pahali imefika. Mimi kwanza sasa hii vita mimi napigana naye. Kura ya mama yote niko nayo 100%. True or false? Yeah. Vijana wananipiga kidogo kidogo, but watatulia, wakiwacha pombe, waanze kufanya kazi, wataelewa. Na unajua uchaguzi uko mbali. Watakuwa wamesahau, so hakuna shida. so please, for you MCAs, let me tell you, this assembly of yours, if you make good laws and we stop this nonsense, society will reward you. I'm not niambia, me have a lot of experience in this politics. I know the way they go. And they are waiting. They are waiting to understand these county assemblies. What are they doing when our children are dying? Wanalala kwa mtaro. Vijana wanalala chini kwa kitanda, wamama wanalala juu peke yao. What are they doing? And I'm telling you, you can turn your politics into something that is unstoppable by just doing the right thing. So, sisi, mimi natakia nyinyi mema. I was just trying to provoke your thinking and urge you to do the right thing and put your all, put your mind and your energy here. And by the time you leave on Sunday morning, please, let us have a legislative proposal and we agree it's across board. Let us borrow what is good in Nyandarua, what is good in Kiambu, tukoroge, ile haingiani, lakini let us have one law. Then, once we do that, I'll lobby the other regions, will make these national laws so that nobody has anywhere to hide. So mimi nimetakia nyinyi mema. Wewe Mwangi unasema ati tutaenda kukula chakula peke yetu wengine wabaki?
Your Excellency, just the government agencies to chart the way forward on the program.
But they also join us.
Yes, we're joining you, Excellency.
Usikuwe na ubaguzi bana. Hii ni watu wetu. So usitupangia tukule na waheshimiwa alafu watu ya serikali atonabaki hapa. Okay. So mimi nimefurahi and I really want to thank you for creating time. You are all very busy people. You have left your stations, you have left your wards, you have left your assemblies, you have left your families to come here for national duty. This is a sacrifice, but it's worth it, I want to tell you. Mimi nasema hata nisipofanya kazi ingine Kenya, kama tunaweza sota utii maneno ya watoto wetu, hata niende nyumbani, mimi retire vizuri. I will be a happy man and I will look back and say I was there, I had been given a privilege by the people of Kenya to lead, and I was involved with other people to do some intervention to save our young people and our families. Hata nisipofanya kazi ingine, hiyo itatosha mimi. And I want you to look at this thing as a big challenge for us as leaders. The society has given up. Wameinua mkono. They have resigned to fate. Wacha watoto wetu tu wakufe tu tukiona. But we are leaders. Leaders provide solutions. And you must be bold. You must be bold. And I'm very happy. I want to thank our officers I'm very happy with what is going in Kiambu, what is happening in Murang'a, what is happening. I'm following. And I want to encourage you, commanders. You are on the right path. You are on the right path. Na niambia nyinyi msiogope. You know, muendelee. Na msitishwe na mtu. Nilisema simu ni 4 peke yake. Ya president, yangu, ya Kidiki na ya Kome. All other phones ignore. Na sisi tutakuwa tukipiga kusema muendelee. We can never call to say muache. So nisikia kuna mtu wengine hapo Harambee House alikuwa anatisha watu Murang'a. Nimepigia huyo DCC namwambia wewe ni bure, wewe ni muoga. Simu ni 4. Kunayo imekuja kwa hiyo watu 4 hakuna. What is your problem? Please work, commanders. Fanyeni kazi. I'll protect you and nobody will touch you. In this war, me and the president are reading from the same page. Professor Kindiki and IG Kome, we are reading from the same script. The 2 DIGs, we are reading from the same script. DPP, we are reading from the same script. DCI, we are talking the same language. You have no reason not to succeed. For once, the whole might of government is behind you. You have no reason not to succeed. Once these good members fix the law for us, sisi sasa tufanye kazi yetu. Si mtatupatia sheria nzuri. Na nyinyi mwachie hapo, msiende kumwaga pombe itawaletea nyinyi shida. Mtengeneze sheria, sheria itafanya kazi. Wenye kutengeneza sheria wako hapa. You know, don't overstep your boundary. Just make good laws and then oversight. Tell us. Komanda fulani, kazi inaenda mzuri. Fulani anachukua hongo. Hiyo ni kazi yenu. Unatuambia tu kisiri. Msiwataje hadharani. Najua wengine wako na buduki. So mtuambie tu pole pole. Hiyo ni kazi yenu, mtengeneze sheria, mfanye oversight. Ya implementation ni hawa wanaume na wamama na sisi. Hiyo ni kazi yetu. Sisi unajua hatuogopi, hakuna pahali tunaweza pelekwa. So I think we'll succeed and I'm very positive. I am very motivated. Since we started working with these officers, I am very happy. I have seen commitment. I have seen zeal. I have seen sacrifice. It has not happened again in the history of this country where officers in uniform have agreed to work. Na wamewacha kuchukua pesa wanafanya kazi. I'm telling you, I've been around for a while and I've been in this government na nini na nimeona mambo mingi. What I have seen in this region with what the police and the others are doing is amazing. I am so happy and I'm sure with the necessary support and backup, our officers will succeed. Kwa hayo mengi, asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki. Karibu tukule dinner. Sisi tutaondoka asubuhi, tutalala tuondoke asubuhi. Nyinyi muendelee, we'll monitor how you are going and I'll be waiting by Monday to see the legislative proposal of what you are proposing so that we can fix this problem once and for all. Asanteni sana. Thank you.